Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to draw a dancing dinosaur step by step. So go ahead and grab your drawing materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, we're going to start our dinosaur who's dancing. We're going to begin with our dinosaur's head, which is pretty much a circle, but we're going to come in just slightly there towards the top. That's going to create just a little bit of like a cheek here for our dinosaur's face. Now for our dinosaur's body, we're going to start out with a straight line. And we'll couple that with a curved line like this. Whenever you pair straight lines and curved lines, it makes such an appealing character, so I love to do that any chance I get. And we'll add another little curved line here. That will be the tummy of our dino character. Now we get to add the tail of our dinosaur. So we're going to follow this line here and we're just going to extend that out, create a little curve for the tail and back. So again, this is a dancing dino, so its tail's going to be moving and its arms and legs are going to be moving. Lots of fun action for this guy. The little arms and the legs are going to be very simple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, with a dinosaur character, I love drawing scales. A few down its back, and then across the top of its tail. Alright, now we're going to add our dinosaur's face. And this dinosaur is very happy and dancing, so we're going to do some closed eyes with a smile. So 2 like rainbow shapes, upside down letter U's, with a couple of lines there to indicate that our dinosaur is really cheesing. And we'll do a big open mouth smile. So to do that, we'll start with a little smile and we'll build onto that to create a big open mouth smile. A little tongue. And then we can fill this in. And we'll add 2 eyebrows and just a couple detail lines on the stomach. And we can add some detail lines on the tail as well. If you want to add a little bit of background, we can do some lines with some dots and also some blades of grass. That'll get a little bit of color into our background when we add some color, which is our next step. You can grab colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you would like to color with. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, the very last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators! I hope you enjoyed drawing your dancing dino characters today. I know I did. And I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B.